Welcome to day 19 of Micro Learning English, 5 minutes each day. Today we are combining how you feel and what you plan or decide to do. It's a very useful pattern. So you'll hear patterns like these. I'm nervous. I plan to prepare more. I'm nervous. So, what do you plan to do? I plan to prepare more. You're nervous about your exams, your studies. So what are you going to do about it? I plan to prepare more. So next time when you say you are feeling this way or that way, you can follow up with another sentence to say what you plan to do or decide to do. I'm tired. Okay, you're tired. I decide to rest. I plan to rest. Let's repeat clearly and speak like in real life. I'm nervous. You're nervous? What do you plan to do? I'm nervous. I plan to take it slow. I'm nervous. I plan to take it slow. She's tired. Why is she tired? I don't know. She is tired. She's just tired. What is she going to do? She decides to leave early. She decides to leave early. She decides to sleep early. She decides to rest. Oh, we are excited. We're excited. We plan to go out. We are excited. We plan to celebrate. Now let's go into past tense. We practice this in blocks, present tense, so that everything is present tense, so that you get familiarized with hearing the tenses in one block. And then we go into the next block, which is past tense, so that you get familiarized with hearing past tenses. In this way, you can learn grammar, English grammar, subconsciously. So here we go, the past tense. I was tired. I was tired yesterday. I was tired last night. I was tired this morning. So I decided to rest at home. So I decided to rest at home. So I decided to stay home. I was tired yesterday. I decided to something something. I decided to rest. I decided to not go to work. I decided to sleep. He was upset. He decided to take a walk. He was upset. He decided to take a walk. So he was, he decided. I am, I decide. So I was upset. I was upset. So I decided to take a walk. Let's say some complete, more complex sentences. Repeat after me. Present tense. I am worried. I'm worried about the test, about the exam. I plan to study tonight. I plan to study tonight. Again, I'm worried about the test tomorrow. I plan to study tonight. Okay, this is a very common situation. So you can use this, learn this, and use this pattern in your everyday speech. She's tired after work. You are tired after work. I'm tired after work. She's tired after work. And she decides to skip the gym. She decides to skip the gym. I'm tired after work, so I decide to not go to the party. So I decide not to go to the games. Very common. We were stressed last week. Last week, past tense. We were stressed last week. So, we planned to take a break. We were stressed last week. We planned to take a break. I was stressed last night. I listened to music. Now a quick review with patterns. Say it with me. I'm tired. I plan to sleep. Say it quickly. I'm tired. I plan to sleep. She's nervous. She decides to wait. She's nervous. She decides to wait. I was sad. I decided to stay at home. I was sad. I decided to stay at home. He was bored. He planned to go out. He was bored. He planned to go out. Well done. Now you can describe your feelings. I'm tired. I'm stressed. I'm bored. And what you're going to do about it. What you plan. What you decide to do. So in the next lesson, we will explore a different pattern. That is to describe what's around you and how you respond to it. See you then.